How many times have you told yourself, "I'll start tomorrow? I'm too tired today"? Have you ever wanted success more than anything, but every single day your own excuses stop you? Jake was one of those people. One evening, frustrated, he went to a river. An old man sat there, calm and silent. Jake asked, "Sir, I want to succeed, but I always stop. Why?" The old man asked, "If you fall into this river, will you say, 'I'll try to swim for Monday'?" Jake smiled. "No. I'd try immediately." "Good," said the old man. "Here, delay has a price. In life, delay feels safe. That is why excuses feel safe. If you don't eat for 2 days, will you wait for motivation?" "No. Hunger will force me," Jake replied. Exactly. When pain is clear, action is fast. If today you do nothing, will tomorrow feel easier? No. It will feel heavier. That weight is called regret, said the old man. Then the old man moved closer and asked, "Jake, if your boat has a hole, do you complain that the wood was poor? Or do you start getting the water out?" Jake thought. "I'd get the water out." "Exactly," said the old man. "Stop complaining. Start fixing. That is how progress begins." Finally, the old man asked, "Imagine a lion is behind you. Would you say, 'I'm tired, let me rest first'?" Jake laughed. "No. I'd run as fast as I can." Exactly. Fear removes excuses. Your goals demand the same urgency. If you wait to feel ready, opportunity will run away. Jake left the river. He was not motivated, not confident. But that night, he worked. Because now he knew. Delay always has a price. Excuses live where delay feels safe. Success starts where delay becomes costly. The clock doesn't care about your feelings. And the grave doesn't accept excuses. In a world full of distractions, if this story helped motivate you, guide you, or gave you a reason to keep working, then like, share, and subscribe.